This is a poem written by me. I'm still working on everything in life, so I just want to share this with you real quick. In the dawn of life, we learn to love, cherishing moments sent from above, embracing each day with open arms, living fully, free from harm. As time passes, hearts intertwine, sharing laughter, joy divine. Though trials and triumphs side by side, love's bond grows, strong, cannot hide. In the end, when it's time to part, memories linger in the heart. Though we say goodbye with tears in our eyes, love lives on even after we die.